Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, I am going to show you the easiest way to actually make your AI content undetectable with all AI detectors, and it's pretty easy and you can do it really fast. For this, we'll be using ChatGPT to create our AI content. Once this content is generated, we can just copy the content and let's paste it here. This is the service that we can use right now to make our AI generated content human content. So in order to do that, before I do anything, I'll just trim some of the content, because when you sign up you will only get 250 words to play with. So if you are happy with the output, you can always go and purchase more credits. As of now, we can just test it with this 215 words, and I'll just copy this ChatGPT generated content and I will go to GPT-0. This is an AI detector that we can use to actually find out whether the content is written by AI or human. As you can see, since it's directly copied, it's fully AI content. And now let's copy to another AI detector called Originality. This is also one of the toughest AI detectors, and as you can see, you can see it's like 100% AI. Now let's see, there are like different options. You can choose the one that you like, and you can mix and match with the different variations to see to get the best results. And for now, let's just click on the humanize button and let's just wait for this to process. And it took me like almost 1 minute, so I fast forwarded this video, so it will take some time. And you can just copy it. Underneath it you can see it's all tick marks, so it's saying that it will pass the AI detection test. Let's just test originality, because I use it a lot these days, and as you can see, it's 99% original. And if we go back to our GPT-0, we can just refresh it and let's paste the newly humanized content, and let's just click on get results. And as you can see, it's showing that the content is entirely written by human. So that's the fastest way. As you can see, like there are lot many other AI detectors, those are supported, and you can test it with all those and see if it is detecting or not. If you like to check this website out, the link will be in the description below. You can also use this as an AI detector. Just agree for the terms and just click on check. And as you can see, since the content is copied from ChatGPT directly, it's showing like it's AI generated content. So this is a tool with that you can be used as an AI detector, and you can rewrite the AI content to human content as well. So these are like the pricing option for $9, and for $5 they're like doing a limited time. So this is not that expensive, but the quality will be like not that great. So you can definitely check using different variations and see if it's working for you. So that's it. If you find something useful and if this trick is working for you, please do like, share and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.